Hello, my name is Chris, I'm from Fohhn, and today I'm going to show you some of our new products, or one new product line that we're presenting here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. It's part of the media series, we call it Media Scale, and it's a scalable column design speaker, but it includes not a column concept, but it's a point source speaker. So what you see is scale 1, the shorter one, and scale 2. Both of these speakers have a scalable length, so you can choose a length so that it fits left and right to your screen, or also it's available as a sound bar. So then you find two speakers in there for a stereo system. And again, the length is scalable, as also the colors and different options, as we can see later on in a different video. It's all driven by our brand new amplifier, the MA-4.100. It's a 4-channel matrix amplifier. So it's equipped with 4 inputs and 4 amplified outputs. The 4 inputs can also be used as microphone inputs with phantom power and everything you need. By the matrix you can mix your signals and provide it to the system that you're choosing. That's the perfect system for boardrooms, conference rooms and stuff like that. Also for mobile applications, as you could say, for exhibitions and things like that. So, sorry? Yeah. So if you want to learn more about the product, I'm happy if you visit our brand new website. It's www.fohhn.com. Thank you.